As we make our way through learning more about production, it's very easy to get lost in the terminology we use, particularly around dynamics processing. What is the difference between upwards and downwards compression, for instance? And what on earth is expansion, and how is that different from compression? And how is compression different from volume? Welcome to the Essentials Guide to Compression. The truth of the matter is that every single hit record you've ever heard is using compression extensively, probably on every single sound. And what we're going to do on this course is to find out how compression can benefit bass lines, drums, vocals, other sounds too, to be the secret weapon in your mixes. Compression is one of those tools that can benefit every stage of the mix. So we're going to look at it on individual sounds, groups of sounds, and even at the output stage. In a way that a lot of people find confusing, dynamics processing and volume are not the same. So to complement the Essentials Volume Management course, where I've looked at everything to do with volume, in this course we're going to focus in on dynamics. Compression is one of those amazing tools which can be either incredibly subtle or really dramatic. And on this course, we're going to look at every kind of example of how dynamics processing can improve your mixes.